Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make this pasta today. I'm using macaroni. Use any pasta you want. We've got ground beef or minced beef, cream, onions, garlic, a few veggies, a little bit of spice, Parmesan cheese. It's really simple to make. We're going to get straight into this one today. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to go straight in on this one today. Now, first of all, get your pasta ready, the pasta of choice. I'm going to be using some macaroni today. In there, I've got 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a olive oil, and I've just put the heat on, which is above medium, and I've got some ground or minced beef, whatever you call that here. I've got 500 grams, which is just about a pound, and this is a really kind of lean, no fat beef mince. We're going to drop that in. To that, we're going to be adding some salt and pepper at this stage. So let's get some salt in there and some black pepper. Above medium heat, we're going to cook this for about 4 minutes or so. Just kind of break it down a bit. So you can see that meat's breaking down nicely. Next up, we're going to add 1 cup of onion. I've cut mine really small. Cut it larger if you want. Tiny amount of celery. Tablespoon of garlic. And again, let's go on this kind of fairly lively heat for about 3 minutes. Fabulous stuff. 1 cup tomatoes. Then I'm going to put in some of this kind of, this Italian seasoning, like a mixed blend. Thyme, basil, oregano in there. You could just go for 1 of them if you want. It's just like a teaspoon of that. About another 4 minutes. You want these tomatoes to kind of break down a little bit if they can, and stay on this, like I say, fairly vibrant heat that we're on. So those tomatoes are just breaking down nicely. We're now going to add 1/2 cup of peas. Now they were a frozen green pea, what I just put through some water. 1/2 cup of bell peppers, cut nice and small. Just using red today. 2 to 3 minutes, stirring often. We're nearly there. Beautiful. Fabulous stuff. Next up, we're going to add some cream. Now I'm using this cream, it's a thick cream. It makes no difference if you use thick or thin cream. This is 250 ml of cream. To that, we're going to add a cup here of Parmesan. I've got some Parmesan shavings here. "90 seconds, stir, stir, stir." So the cream, being thick or thin, will make no difference. Like I say, it will all kind of smooth out. We're going to get our pasta. I've got 3 cups here of cooked macaroni elbows. Use any pasta you want. Go for 3 more minutes, stirring away. Absolutely beautiful. Well done, you've done it. Job done. Absolutely beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.